Do you want beautiful Christmas decor, but you're on a budget? Make this stunning Christmas angel today for virtually no cost. What about a pair to go on your mantelpiece or dining table on Christmas Day? I'm Christine of christinecrafts.com, and I'm going to show you how to make yours today. So, without further ado, what will you need? Some sort of ball for the angel's head. I suggest a polystyrene or a styrofoam ball, but any light ball that's the right size to look in proportion to your book will be fine. You're going to need a paperback book where the spine's still holding the pages together. You'll see I've only got half a book because that's all you need. You need about 150 pages. So I use the other half to make a Christmas tree. You'll see on the list you need glue, and I've put paint optional. Obviously mine was painted gold, but you can leave it without. So to start with, take just one page and fold the top corner down to the spine and get a nice crisp fold. And then fold that edge to the spine again. Make sure you've got a nice crisp fold. Now the bit sticking out the bottom of the book, fold it up and tuck it in between that one page and the rest of the book. Make sure it's all nice and crisp and open it out. So we'll go through that again. Take your top right hand corner, bring it down to the spine, nice fold. Go again, smooth it down, nice crisp fold. The bit that's sticking out the bottom, tuck it up and make a nice fold. So you're going to repeat that so that you have 20 pages folded just like that. Just 20. Okay. So just keep folding, keep pressing, keep making sure they're nice crisp folds until you've got 20 of them. And then, once you've checked you've got 20, we're going to make the first angel wing. Very simple. Instead of looking at your top corner, we're going to use the bottom corner and we're going to fold it up to the spine. Again, we're still making sure we get right into the spine. Nice crisp fold, and fold that into the center of the book again. Nice crisp fold, and do not tuck the top in. Leave it sticking out the top of the book. That's what's going to cause you a nice wing. Open it out and repeat. Now we're going to just do 5 of these, 5 pages. Okay, make sure it's a nice crisp fold. The more accurate you are with your folds, the more accurate your angel will be, the better your wings will line up. So it's up to you how much care you take. Okay, so we're just going to repeat that for 5. And then just check those are nice. You're happy, you've got 5. And you're going to go back to the original fold. So let's just run through it. Top corner down to the spine, fold that edge in again. You'll notice it's starting to get a little bit harder to get into the spine. Persevere, just keep going. And tuck that bottom under, get a nice edge, and repeat. And you're going to keep going until you've got 25 pages left. Okay, so just count, do a quick check, 25 pages left. And we're now going to form the other wing for the angel. So fold it up from the bottom into the spine, nice fold. Fold it again into the spine and leave the top sticking up. And you won't be surprised to learn 5 of those because we're doing an angel's wing to match the other one. So just 5 pages folded this way. And then we should have 2 wings. And you should have 20 pages left. And those 20 pages you've got left, we're going to go back to folding down from the top. So again, fold down from the top to the spine, fold that edge in again. You'll find it's getting really difficult by now because the ones that you've already folded are getting in the way. But do make sure you keep trying to get right into the spine so you get a nice end product. So repeat for all 20 pages. And then you should have no pages left that have not been folded. And when you stand it up, it's not going to look quite like the angel you were hoping for. So you might need to do a little bit of tweaking. You can see one of my pages is unfolded there right at the end. So just run your fingers down them, smooth any that you need to smooth, and then look at it and think, well, do I want my wings there? They're a little bit too far back for me. So I'm going to fold them forward slightly. There we go. And now you can look at all those folds you've made and line them up how you want. And all you've got left to do now is put your head on. So if you're not doing any painting, you can glue your head on straight away. However, if you're thinking of painting, I've got some advice for you. If you're using a polystyrene or a styrofoam ball, they really, really do not like aggressive paints like spray paints. So I recommend, to get the effect I got on mine, to give it a coat of some sort of water-based paint, an emulsion, a primer, undercoat, one of those sorts of paints. You can put several coats on. The more coats you put on, the less the spray paint will damage your ball. Now, if you're using a cardboard ball or a wooden ball, you won't have this problem. So once you've got it how you want it, you're going to spray paint it. Now, I'm not going to show you this because I do it in my garage with the door wide open with lots of ventilation, and it's not a good place to film. But I'm just using a standard metallic effect spray paint. So I'll spray paint the ball and the book. So then all you need to do, apply some glue to the ball, apply some glue to the top of the angel, and stick your head in place. If you want more decorations on your angel, then you can go for it, but I've just left mine so you can still tell it was a book, but it's nicely gold. So thank you for watching. Please, if you want to make a Christmas tree, watch the video that's appeared on the screen now. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.